Hi everyone, this is Mike Witt from haulingbigfoot.com. We usually are RVers, but sometimes we have to help a fellow trailer enthusiast out. I'm here with Dave Ramey at the Ramey Piano Company. He's got a problem with his hauling trailer, and we brought our stuff out and we were going to kind of walk you through and what you have to do to try to repair it. What's happened is all of the pianos and heavy equipment that he hauls in the trailer, over time what has happened is that the walls have separated. You can see that it's just come loose here, and the welds have broken away from the main part of the trailer all the way on down. We're going to make some mending plates, and we're going to take and we're going to weld the mending plates in on either side and then across here to strengthen this wall up so that the trailer doesn't shake apart. Some of the metal is gone. You know, we're going to have to fabricate a filler plate to put in there to weld in place to keep it from coming detached from the trailer. And while we're at it, we might as well do the other side. We have to cut out, you can see the cut line, we have to cut out the wood to get to those pieces so that we can refirm them up and make them strong again. Luckily for us, we've got a garage with an air compressor. We've got the plasma cutter set up and our welding equipment here, and we've got a piece of angle iron that we're going to cut into the 1 inch pieces to use to mend up those side plates. So we got to draw out some 1 inch pieces from here and just cut a bunch of slices, and so that we have our material to weld to the thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these in sections with a plasma cutter. Turn it. What you have is something that looks like that, and that's going to be the underpinning for the braces. Okay, what we're going to do is we've got it set up to where we're going to weld on either side of that, and we're going to weld those in place to strengthen this with our welders already set up, and we're ready to go. Okay, here we are, we're all done with it. We got them all welded in all the way on down the line. Make it nice and strong, and we're going to undercoat it and seal it, and it should be fine. And some of them are pretty good, but there's a couple that are torn up, and I try to show you, and you see where the rust has got to it, and it's just pulling away from the bottom frame. So we're gonna have to do the same thing on this side that we did on the other side. And then in the front of the trailer, while we were working, we discovered the same thing up here. Those mounts are all right, but when we opened it up, we found this piece like this laying down in there, which is supposed to go up in here like this. So the brace just rotted out and fell down. So we're going to have to do some work there and replace this brace as well, like we did the others. So yeah, we've got some more work cut out. The front metal is fatigued, so we're going to have to patch that on the outside to try to keep the water from getting in there. So once we get done, we'll show you what it looks like when we're finished. Okay, here we are. We got the other side done, all welded in, all the way on up. And the front's been repaired. We fabricated a new brace piece for there and siliconed all the things in. Now we got to get ready to spread some undercoating. So that we can protect that metal from rusting. All braced up. Now the next project is we have to do the back doors. We took the back door off, and the other back door is over here. And the back door is pretty bad. The wood is all rotted. It's all falling apart. And they're all real wobbly, so we're going to take and replace the wood in this door. We're going to take them off and take them apart. We're starting with that one so we can start to take everything apart, the hinges, and try to get some some new wood on the back of the doors. As you can see, it's all just rotting right away. So we're gonna do that, and we'll show you what it's like when we're done. Well, we're back and we're working on the door. We've got new wood and we're assembling the frame. We took all the hardware off. I'll go underneath here so you can see what it kind of looks like with the new wood. There's the brand new wood. We got a piece of 2 half-inch pieces of plywood and put them together with glue, so it's nice one solid door now. We've got the integrity back inside of the door. And then we just used the top sheet metal skin as our template to drill our holes for our latch. We're getting ready to put some latches on. We went up to the hardware store to get some new hardware, and then we drilled holes for our hinges. So all the frame is back on. It's all ready to go. As soon as we put it together, we'll remount the door on the trailer. My trusty assistant Daniel Ramey, he's in the garage painting the brackets so that they look better and cleaning them up and whatever. But that's how we put the integrity back in the door. And then we're going to have to do the other side. This is just the one side, the latch side, and we'll take the other one off and do the other side. So we'll come back when we're done and show you how it all works. Okay, we're back. We're done with the doors. We've got them all mounted. New hardware, painted everything. New hardware all the way on up. New bolts. Seal up any old cracks or anything in the doors. Open them up. That's what they look like on the inside. Brand new wood. Got rid of all the rotted wood. Make the doors solid again. Same thing on the other side. Nice, good, solid wood doors. So it's all done and finished. And that's about it between all the welding that was done and the doors. And we used silicone to seal a lot of the leaks. And it's ready to hit the road. I'd like to thank you for watching the video Trailer Repair. It's good to be a welder. Don't forget, you can always visit us at haulingbigfoot.com. Thanks for watching.